Alexa fans, brace yourselves. There's a new AI in town, and it's called Claude. Amazon is swapping out Alexa's brain with Anthropic's Claude AI. So what's the big deal? Well, Anthropic, founded by ex-OpenAI researchers, focuses on creating safe and smart AI. By integrating Claude, Alexa will get smarter at understanding complex questions and holding conversations. Imagine chatting with Alexa and getting spot-on answers. Plus, Claude's personalization means Alexa could know you better than ever, tailoring responses just for you. But heads up, initial hiccups might happen. Amazon's got their work cut out for them to ensure a smooth transition. This move also spices up the AI competition with Google and Apple. Could this spark a trend of using third-party AI in smart devices? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for updates, and if you found this interesting, hit like, subscribe and ring that bell. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.